Cool. So the screen command is a GNU open source piece of software that allows you to basically multitask in a server environment or in a command line environment. So if you try to search for screen, you've probably had trouble. Try to search for GNU screen, GNU screen. It might get you towards what you want. Also, there's another product called Tmux. It does very much the same thing. It's even newer and probably even better. But today I'm just going to talk about screen. So again, Control L clears my screen. And what I will do is type screen just like that. And it says, welcome to screen 400. Now, what I can do is, by default, your kind of key bindings are Control A, gives you access to some cool stuff. So Control A D will detach your screen. If I wanted to reattach, I can do screen-R. And let's say I'm ping google.com. Let's just have something going. I'm going to detach. I'm going to reattach, and I see that I've got that screen back. But hey, I actually want to do multiple things. So before I even create another window, it's pretty awesome because if I'm on a server doing this, running screen, I can detach and leave a process running. Maybe I'm compiling software. Maybe I am waiting on some kind of job to finish. But not only that, I can do multiple things. So Control A C is going to give me another window, and I could say watch VM stat. Let's see, is there a interval 1, 2? Watch, no watch. Okay, fine. Ping usg.edu. That's not going to work. Ping yahoo.com. Great. So I'm pinging different places. I may want to ping my gateway. So how do I get between these windows? I'm confident that multiple things are going on here. So I'm going to Control A next. I can see, I don't know which one this is, but if I do Control A quote, I can see my list. Now what you really want to do is set up your screen RC, which there's several blogs out there that show you a good screen RC thing, but what you can do is have it maybe show you the current command, or if you're logged into a remote server, show the remote server IP or name, and possibly even the current user on that remote server, so that in this list you know exactly what you're doing. So I remember doing Google first. So in the 0 window here I have my list of Google pings. You can do Control A N just to get to the next window. If you notice the TTLs, they're different there, and also the IP addresses. So you can see I'm switching between my different pings going on, and I'm still not able to ping my gateway, which I must be hitting the wrong IP or whatever. But I'm switching between windows and things going on. I can also rename this window. So Control A colon. I can do title gateway. And then when I go to my list, I will see gateway there. So I'm going to do this one, title Yahoo, and Control AP will go to the previous window. And I'm
Hey, Mike, your screen is a little clipped on the left.
Oh, that's not good.
So we can't, at least I can't see some of the stuff you're typing.
No need for that. All right. Better?
Yeah, that's better.
Great. All right. So Control A quote. I've got several things, and I can also. So let's just say I wanted to quickly go from one window to another. Assume you've set up your screen RC to be a little more helpful. Say it's the title is the current command or the current host. I can do Control A single quote, and it's going to just prompt me for a pattern. So I'm going to call it gateway, and I can just type the first match. GA is going to take me to the gateway titled window. There's so many other things you can do here, like window split. Control A Shift S will split it, and then you can do Control A Tab will get you between the windows. Control A Q, Control A Q. That probably didn't do what I wanted it to do. Anyways, you can split them horizontally, if I'm not mistaken, as well, or vertically rather, and get around. But screen is awesome, and you should use screen or something akin to it all the time, because it'll save you time and it'll allow you to step away from the desk or close your laptop without worrying. You can always just reattach to the jobs that are running, assuming that you're closing your laptop, you're SSH'd into another machine where you're actually running the screen session. And yeah, that's all I have for today. Thanks for joining, and sorry for the startup delay.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Right. The one thing I'd add too is I find the caption at the bottom to be very useful. So I always have to run a caption. But
yeah, thanks.
You kind of know what window you're on without having to remember.